Look at this little badass walking in the door. He's totally a badass. Totally a badass. He's got a cigarette behind his ear, you know. There's nothing more delicious than smoking a cigarette after you eat a stolen sandwich. So he's going to come over here to the coolers because obviously you need an ice cold beverage to wash down your stolen sandwiches. So he's going to end up landing on
So ninka wuxuu dhahay ninkan sigaar uu soo galay badaas nin qatariska dhigaa camal uu soo galay store-ka sandwich waxa rabaa ninkan oo jeedin wallahi this is so funny brother store soo gashay hadii lagu xiro muuqaal lagu xiraa robbery like waa dhacda store-ka isalaada sanado badan so small sandwich oo waxa rabaa ninkan marka aan fiirina bale
delicious water, while his girlfriend ends up landing on a delicious Canada Dry. Now, they're going to make their way up to the front register area. So he's going to come up to the front counter here and he's going to set his beverages down because, you know, it's really hard to steal sandwiches with beverages in your hand. So he's going to grab a sandwich right here. He's going to look, make sure he's good. Boom!
Oh,
she got one sandwich.
Guy got it, bro. Okay, guy, what's up, yeah? وده ماشي عبتان وسوقاتي سيقف واحد قدناي ماشي ريجستر كسو استاجي وحودي بي لبدي عاق عبتانكي ماشي صاروا مالنا جيسك سو قف لو بني واحد كلا قف قادنا عمل محاكا طور مدن غير عمل كدمنا ساندويتشكي بام وحرسته ماشي داو
to the camera. He's good. He's gonna grab another sandwich. You know what? I don't want that sandwich. I'm gonna grab a different sandwich. This one looks better. Boom! She got
والله بالله guys this is the funniest too ولقي أكيد ساندويتش كاروقاتي بموكلي مقطع وفيري ساندويتش كلا عودة متكلو فيرا كنا قطرة كي كلا حتى مركون سيف مو فير مقطع كنا إياه كلا قطرة أنا كنا كواسة كي كلو قادنا فيري مش.
Two sandwiches. Hey, are these sandwiches fresh? Yes, sir. We make our sandwiches every day. Okay.
والله صفني ونكي وسويدي وحقات فريش ميانيو سكوبي نو. نيكي ستور كنت جاي وريا هاي فريش ميا ساندويتش كان يا فريش ومالو بمدرسة فريش سمينا على وده.
Well, do you guys have some Tylenol? I really need some Tylenol. Yes, sir. We have Tylenol right over there. Oh, okay. I'm going to go look for that Tylenol. He comes over, looks for the Tylenol, looks at it. He just looks at it a little more, and then he goes, you know what? Yeah, I don't need any Tylenol. I just pretended to ask like I needed that. Really, I don't need that. So he's going to come up to the counter. He's going to be like, hey, baby, I need some Newports, and I need you to buy my cheddar cheese popcorn. So I'm going to pull out my big fat wad of cash right here, and I'm going to give you some cash so you can buy that for me.
والله بالله طلع عليه dadka cadaanka arkaysiin dad qaar ku xidha cadaanku wax ma xadan most dadkan waxa waaye wayga yaabiyaan marka waxda like qaab you know qaab ma laha qofka anad madoowana you know how we look right it's suspicious always nadiyan because waxa ay ka sameeyaan way qariyaan ba most videoyaasha soo saari doona guys daawada waan yaabi doontiin
Me, all right? Now, while you're the distraction, I'm going to make my way back over to the school right here because I came with 5 people in the car and I need to get 5 sandwiches, one for everybody.
Okay, sigaarkii wixii waa gateen laakiin uu fikiray waa iska dhaadhiciyay dad badan ay gaari ku jir gaari waa la buuxa ciyaalkii tolkii wixii dhan waxa waa sandwichka dhanina waxa waa tolka xataa qaybtooda loo qaada meeshan beelo waaye meel fiican wax laga xadi karo yaa camera ninka ismu jeedo dhaca ku hayso yaa
So he's trying to figure out what are the sandwiches he wants to steal. Does he want the roast beef and cheddar? Or does he want the turkey and Swiss? Or does he want a delicious Reuben? So he's going to grab a Reuben. He's going to stack it on top of another Reuben. You know, you got to make it super easy when you're trying to steal.
دقاقة فيريا ولا فيريا أو مد معاه وقطر ورادي you know مد ساندويتش كالكحسن كنا قطرة صاحب قدال ماشي على سكوتيرين قابو قاضي فيرين المركب
2 sandwiches at once. So he's going to reach back, grab 2 sandwiches, and what's he going to do? Boom! She got 2 more sandwiches.
كركشة صاحب بوب كاسكي عميلة وخوا ولا
right into his jacket. Oh, another customer walked in the door. He didn't see me, but this is good. This is really good because they're about to be real distracted, and this is going to be the perfect time for me to steal my 5th and final sandwich. Yep, he's going up to the counter. I'm going to grab my final Reuben right here. Yeah, 3 Reubens, 2 subs. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. He's going to come around here, and what's he going to do? Boom! Right into his jacket. She got 5 sandwiches, all in his jacket right there. Yep, he's going to walk around here. He's going to pretend like he's looking for something, you know. Then he's going to zip up his jacket because, you know, you got to totally cover up those sandwiches, you know, right before you walk out the door right here. He's going to look at the counter. He's going to look up. He's going to be like, oh, yeah, we good. He's going to walk out the door before he gets into this white Explorer right here, you know. Of course, he ain't driving. He probably doesn't have a license. He's just a little passenger. And here I come a minute later. Come out and find everyone has sandwiches in their hands.
The guy get caught.
You're partisan. That's how it works. You know how to work. That's how it works. So. All right, get inside, buddy. Get inside now.
Right now, Aldo. You got so good.
That's fine. The cops will handle it, and they're going to be contacting him. So if you want to fuck him over, that's all you, buddy. All right, well done. Then why are you fucking taking so long? You're talking so fucking inside. Wrong with that. Yeah, you're a fucking thief. You're a dirtbag. You're a piece of shit. Pay for 3 sandwiches. Fucking shit.
Don't steal.
Who حذي
2601.
You gonna bring up that mom?
You have to enter your card.
Get the fuck out of here. You're like a shit.
Man, bro. That's why camera guys is so important. Sometimes it's a the business where the hype always make sure camera
You ain't gonna keep my money like you're gonna call cop. I will. You call.
did that.
You can call him for it. Took my money, so that's fine. Call cop. You just stole it. I have you on camera. So they'll charge you. Call him. We're gonna charge you. You take my money. You can see me give the money. That's fine.
Then
Get out of my money.
Just go, bro. Just leave. You know. بس هذا the guy he's fighting.
If I call you out before you walk out the door, then it's not. You walked out the door, it's not.
What? You get out. You know, you get out. So that's he's talking shit.
Now, he actually boned us for a couple dollars. I never verified that he took 5. He claimed that he took 3, so I just took his 20, told him to get the F out. We're not giving you your change, but we still got boned. So if you know this turd sandwich, tell him that we need our couple dollars, because if we don't get that couple dollars, we're going to go out of business.
Yep. Well, guys, subscribe لها share قراية فيديو كيف يعني نسو سارة إن شاء الله رياكشن كبحين دونا ومع سار كينا حيل التنبيه next time guys مع السلامة.